Oh hi, good morning everyone. At this moment I am here at this Don Bosco Square like Mitra, and I feel very happy this morning because I am getting my opportunity to come here in this city, the city of Shillong. It's a very beautiful city. You can see here when you look around, you can see here everywhere. It's a very big buildings with beautiful, especially with this beautiful statues here. You can see this sculpture, this statue. This is Cathedral Catholic Church here in Shillong, where Bishop is living here. This area here, it's just wonderful, and it's a secret place where everyone loves coming here, especially for prayer, and it's just amazing. Good morning again. This morning I am here at the city of Shillong. It's a beautiful place. It's really a lovely, beautiful place to visit, especially early in the morning. And when I come here, I feel very fresh. I feel fantastic this morning. I can express so many words. It is. So right now I am here.